Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and space for the whole family? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Upland in bright white. With dark headlamp bezel finish, gloss black exterior accents, 20-inch gloss black painted aluminum wheels, dark daylight opening moldings, dark lens tail lamp, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,280 miles on the odometer, Uconnect 4 with 7-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, rear 60/40 folding seats, liquid titanium accents, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5344.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.